If you're running payroll in Australia, you already know superannuation can be one of those things that gets messy really fast, especially if you're trying to manage it manually. The good news though, Xero Payroll literally makes it super simple to automate superannuation, so they're always accurate, on time, and compliant with ATO requirements. So in this video, we're going to walk you through how it works. So first things first, inside Xero, you're going to have to head over to your payroll settings. So this is where you'll then be able to set up the default superannuation fund for your business. So Xero is connected to SuperStream, so contributions are sent electronically to funds without you having to chase paperwork. Now, when you add employees in Xero, simply make sure their super details are entered correctly. So each employee can nominate their chosen super fund, or you can also assign them to your business's default fund. Xero also saves this info so contributions are automatically calculated each pay run. Now here's the nice part. Once you process payroll, Xero calculates the super automatically, based on each employee's ordinary time earnings. That means you don't have to worry about doing manual percentage calculations, it's literally all backed in. Now when it comes time to pay super, simply head to the superannuation section in Xero. From there, you'll then be able to see the contributions owed for the period. So with one click, you can then submit the payment batch directly through Xero's clearinghouse. It also gets distributed to all the employee funds and your records stay updated for reporting. Now the biggest win here is compliance. So by automating super in Xero Payroll, you literally stay aligned with SuperStream rules and reduce the risk of late or incorrect payments. That keeps your business safe from penalties and it keeps your employees' retirement savings growing on time. And that's it. So once you've set everything up, superannuation just happens automatically each pay run. So if this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.